you disappoint me. Take in the fresh air of the Empire. Wow, I'm a genius! I shall change the world as I see fit. Combine magic with technology and you shall have true power. Papa, look at these fools! Pain is my special gift just for you. Let the weak melt away! Yoo-hoo! Papa. My inventions will change everything.
My money. Oh, this is some bad luck. There's a crazy rumor that my partner is a beautiful girl. Living freely is one of life's basic principles. Let me introduce you to my partner, Dexter. Me? A thief? No. I'm only borrowing this. Shh! Why don't we go steal the enemy base next? I'm tired of farming. Let's go fight some enemies. Dexter, are you getting fat, buddy? Show me the money. Monkey, go! Money and beauty. Let's get this started. Hey, get out! I already gave you your share, little guy.
The thought of vengeance burns me. Everyone changes, so do I. Struggle and resistance are useless. I long for peace in the heart. Death is quiet and pleasant. I've already fell to the abyss. Fate is so unfair. The spear of destiny hit me and will hit you. I can't die. Not now. They all must die!